Welcome to Future Phone Flash. Today, we're tackling the burning question on everyone's mind. How much will the iPhone 16 cost? Stay with us as we unpack all the latest rumors, speculations, and possible price hikes for Apple's upcoming flagship. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for your regular dose of smartphone news. iPhone 16 rumors. What's the buzz? Even though the official iPhone 16 announcement is months away, the internet is already buzzing with excitement. Predictions about its design, screen size, and advanced AI features are everywhere. But what about the price tag? Historical iPhone pricing. A steady climb. Looking back, the starting price for the baseline iPhone has held steady at $799 from the iPhone 12 to the iPhone 15. The Pro models have consistently been priced at $999. However, the iPhone 15 Pro Max saw a $100 increase, starting at $1,199 with a new 256GB base storage option. Could the iPhone 16 cost more? With rising inflation and increased component costs, there's speculation that the iPhone 16 might see a price hike. The production costs for the iPhone 15 Pro Max jumped by 12%, a trend seen across the entire lineup. These rising costs could prompt Apple to raise prices for the iPhone 16 to maintain their profit margins. Upgrades and higher costs. Rumors hint that the iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max might come with more expensive cameras and high-end components. Advanced molded glass lenses for improved optical zoom and a lighter design could push production costs up, possibly leading to higher retail prices. Wrapping up, what's next? In conclusion, it's still too early to pinpoint the exact price of the iPhone 16. While rising production costs and new features could drive prices up, there's also a possibility they could stay the same or drop. We'll keep you posted with any new information as we get closer to Apple's fall announcement. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any updates on the iPhone 16 and other exciting tech news. Leave your thoughts in the comments below. What do you think the iPhone 16 will cost? This is Future Phone Flash.